Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park. Next, turn the ignition to the run position, but you do not need to start the engine. You will then want to locate your Uconnect system on the dashboard display. This is the central hub for all your media and connectivity needs. Prepare your phone for pairing now. On your Uconnect touchscreen, tap the phone icon. The system will then ask if you want to pair a new device. Select Yes. Immediately open your mobile phone settings and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Your phone will begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. Look for Uconnect or Jeep Grand Cherokee in the list of available devices to connect. Once Uconnect appears on your phone's list, tap on it. Both your phone and the Uconnect screen will then display a pairing request, often with a matching 4-digit PIN. Confirm that the numbers match on both devices and then accept the request on both. Your phone is now successfully connected. You can now make hands-free calls and stream audio directly through your Jeep sound system. If you encounter issues, first verify your phone's Bluetooth is on and discoverable. Sometimes, a simple restart of both your phone and the Uconnect system can resolve minor glitches. It is also helpful to delete any old or unused Bluetooth profiles from your Uconnect settings to clear up space. For more detailed assistance, always refer to your Jeep Grand Cherokee owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.